Shashwat, I'm recording your intro experience of MS Space Science and Research. That is in IIT Indore. Is that
Yes.
called Space Science and Research, or
Yes.
what is the name of department?
The name of the department is DAASE, that is Department of Astrophysics, Astronomy and Space Engineering.
Okay, okay. And if I'm not wrong, then Shashwat, you were looking for this department only.
Yes, exactly, sir. So it has
And
been a
you were
dream
very,
from...
very much persistent that I want this
Yes.
only, right?
Yes.
Great. You're a typical case. So I want Shashwat to first tell us about you first. What is your background and why you were interested only in this particular program? And then how did you manage to get into this program? Where else is this program? So a little bit about this program also.
So my name is Shashwat Rajgupta. I come from Kolkata, West Bengal, and my 10th I have done from Patubhavan Dankuni, and my 12th I have done from Belur High School. After that, I went on for engineering in electronics and communication from MCKV Institute of Engineering, and I had a CGPA of 8.69 overall. After that, I used to work in Robert Bosch Engineering and Business Solutions for almost a year, and uh, after that, I started preparing for GATE. But as you know that my GATE score was not that high. It was 409. Um, and I already had this dream of pursuing the field of astrophysics, astronomy, and all these things. This has actually started when I was in my early college days. So I had a knack for physics in the very beginning, and I could not pursue a bachelor of science in physics and this stream. So it kind of forcefully I got into engineering. So I always wanted to get into this background of astrophysics and astronomy. So I had already done my BTech projects and seminars, and every paper which I can customizely manage. I tried to make it aligned with this line of astrophysics or astronomy. So for an example, my final year project was a digitized telescope. So I had an analog telescope. I tried to convert it into a digital form, and my other project involved building a custom interferometer, which is used in astronomical techniques as well. So these things actually really helped me in my interview as well, because I was very much interested in this, and they saw that I was really passionate about this entire field. And I had also read a few books which were out of my course curriculum. Like for example, sir, you already know that in BTech we don't have special relativity or general relativity and all those things. But as I was interested, I used to study a little bit about them from YouTube or in other books as well. So that has helped me a lot. So now, yes, sir, you're muted. I can't hear you.
So Shashwat, what is your CGPA?
So my CGPA is 8.69, as I've mentioned.
Okay, and GATE score?
My GATE score was very low. It was 409. I'm from a general category.
General category, and you could manage into this. You know, it's inspirational. Shashwat, I'm going to put it on YouTube. You know.
Thank you, sir.
So what worked your way? Tell me that. पहले तो ये बताओ कि ये आपका जो इसमें एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स में इंटरेस्ट था, how many departments in overall India? Where is this course available?
Okay, so initially in preparing days, I only knew of two institutes. One was IIST Trivandrum, that's in Kerala, and then there was IIA, which is in Bangalore. Then there is this Pune University. They conduct a Master of Science in Astronomy, and there was another. I don't exactly remember, but it's somewhere in Himachal Pradesh. So these are the departments. So that was in the beginning I knew about, but later on when I connected in the Europedia platform, I got to know about other ones as well. For example, I got to know about the department of QGAL, that is in IIT Delhi. So it's not exactly a department, but it's a sub department of the physics department. It's Quantum Gravity and Astronomy Lab. And also there's this sub department in the IIT Bombay as well. So all those things I have applied for. Now I got call from IIT Bombay as well, but I've
IIT Bombay, which department?
Physics department.
Okay, IIT Bombay Physics department, that is for MS, huh?
No, that is for I think that is for PhD. Yes, that was for direct PhD.
PhD,
yes.
okay.
Yes. Along with astrophysics and astronomy, I also applied like a plan B everybody has. So I already had a plan B. It was to go for signal processing and communication.
Okay.
Which was also, I thought, keeping the future in mind, that I can anytime shift from signal processing to astrophysics because they are very in line. So that I kept in mind, and as my mentor suggested, I applied for different PhD and MS programs in different universities in these two areas, either physics or signal processing and communication. So I got interview calls from IIT Ropar as well, which I attended.
Okay.
And finally, I could
So
actually.
IIT Ropar, which department did you get called, Shashwat?
It was communication and signal processing.
Okay, that is for PhD, yeah?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, great.
There my interview was very well. It was
Okay.
also very well.
Okay. Okay, great. And now coming back to this, how was it? I mean, your interview experience.
Okay,
And if I'm not wrong, I mean, Kailash told me that no, your professor liked you very much and your interest very much.
Yes.
Okay.
So to begin with, my interview panel consisted of 11 professors, and then they started with asking me to introduce myself, which I did, and afterwards they straightly jumped into questions on my background, which was EC. So they told me that, okay, fine, we get that you are interested in this, but we want to know how much proficient you are in your particular field of study, which is electronics. So they started asking me basic questions from Fourier transform and Nyquist sampling rate, and practical applications of those things. Have you ever seen Fourier transform in your real life with your eyes, or these type of questions? And then afterwards, one of those professors, they started asking me questions from my project, which was an interferometer, as I mentioned. So they quickly switched on to the project thing, and that project part actually led my way into, I think, IIT Indore, because they were very much interested in the project idea, and they asked me how I built it, what thickness did I get of the material that I tried to find the thickness of, and all the nits and grits of that particular experiment they wanted to ask me. And finally, they asked me that this experiment, if you want to convert this device into a spectrometer, how would you do it? So I tried to do it theoretically with the help of equations, but they kept on asking me, if you want to do it practically, how would you want to do? So they were actually kind of helping me all the way through my interview. So that was one thing. They were very supportive. And secondly, one thing I forgot to mention, actually I got shortlisted for MTech and MS both for this IIT Indore program.
Okay.
It was the interview was jointly held.
Okay.
So they particularly asked me at one point that, if you were, suppose Shashwata, if you are selected and you were to choose between MTech and MS, which one would you go? So I already mentioned that I left a job because of this, because I wanted to pursue research in this field. So I would be going for MS research. So they seemed pretty happy with the answer. And shortly afterwards, they shifted back to my technical questions again. So this happened back and forth, and then finally one of the professors, he asked what was my research proposal about. I mean, what exactly I wanted to do. So that also I mentioned, because I was very clear with my goal. So that I mentioned, and after my interview was done with, after an hour or so, I got a mail from one of those professors that I think Kailash sir has mentioned you. So he told me that the last question that he asked me about my project, which was the spectrometer, I couldn't answer it properly. So he gave me a lab manual from the Imperial College of London that he used to work in. So he sent me that, and he told me that you can find the details of this experiment from here. And then he also mentioned in that email that I am happy to know that you are interested in cosmology. I work in cosmology. So, and then later he mentioned that if you get selected, then we may discuss the further implications of what we can do further. So at that time, I was kind of having a gut feeling that मेरा यहाँ पे शायद हो जाएगा. And finally, I got to know that it has happened. So I was really happy about it.
Okay, so Shashwat, since you wanted this department and you got it, iske baad, what after that? What do you plan after this, after MS?
Okay.
In astrophysics.
So I had conversations with I'm in touch with them already, and unofficially in calls I'm in touch with three of the professors. So they told me about the next next journey, what I can do. So mostly, as I have mentioned, that I am interested in the research field only. So I'll definitely going to pursue a PhD on it, and preferably if my MS work goes well, so maybe I'll try to pursue it outside India.
Okay,
So that's the current plan right
great. Even I want that for you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Even I want that should be role model. You should be role model actually.
Thank
See,
you,
we want people who have interest, something interest. जब तूने मेरे को पहली बार बताया था ना कि सर मेरे को एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स में जाना है, इवन आई वाज थिंकिंग कि यार कहाँ, यू रिमेंबर आई डिस्कस विद यू एंड इवन आई वाज थिंकिंग कि कहाँ पे होगा वो, कहाँ पे है फोकस, बिकॉज दैट दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स वी डोंट सी मच इन इंडिया एक्चुअली, बट इट शुड बी.
That the professor also mentioned same thing.
हाँ, सो वो मतलब इंटरेस्ट परस्यू करना और उसके बाद फिर आगे जाना, और आगे जाना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. You should pursue your research interest. That is really good. Now, Shashwat, any message you want to give for others, those who with your credential, 8.69 CGPA, 409 gate score, general category, people quit. People say कि हमारा कुछ नहीं बनेगा, अगले साल तैयारी करते हैं. What is your message to those students?
Okay. So actually, to those people, I want to say that firstly, I was one of those students, because you'll be surprised to know that I got selected in this one with my previous gate score. I mean the gate 2020 score, which I in that particular gate exam I appeared while I was working, and it didn't go well as planned. So it was very low gate score. So I lost all hope that ye nahi hoga mujhse, and my dream is over. Maybe I'll have to keep on doing this job, and try to find some alternate thing. Now then I started watching your videos, and I started somehow getting motivated for it, and then I started applying to those people who have a low gate score in general category, and of course I see comments in your videos that some people try to demotivate as well, that no, this is not right.
गाली वाली निकालते हैं काफी.
Yeah. People try to demotivate. No, this doesn't
Yeah.
work. This
Yeah,
guy is trying to
this idiot fellow, and he will bring some.
Please
बोलते हैं कि
don't-
ऐसे ऐसे केस लेके आएगा, and then only couple of cases.
Yeah. So please don't believe in all these things. Believe in yourself. And also, of course, I believe that I worked really hard for this. I mean, my research interest was there, so that's why when they started to ask me questions from quantum mechanics, I tried to answer them, because that's the kind of aptitude I think I had in myself. So that thing you should always be having, and
Yes.
never get demotivated because of your low gate score, because
Great.
there are plenty of opportunities out there.
Great. Thanks a lot, Shashwat. Thanks a lot, Shashwat,
Thank
for
you, sir.
your experience, and all the very best.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.